Hey, what's up guys, it's me Trav and I'm back today with a new video, and today I am going to be unboxing this guy right here, the new S10 Plus. I got it today. It's a 512 gigabyte. I had to get extra storage because, as you can tell, my Galaxy S9 Plus, which you can actually see me on here, has only 128 gigs. So I'm like, you know what, let me just up the gigabytes a little bit more so that I can have a little bit more memory. So just in case I want to record on my phone, hey, you know, I don't have to worry about memory for a while, and then I don't have to keep on, you know, deleting stuff and trying to make room and trying to get another memory card, spending extra money. Okay, so this is the 10 Plus. So let's do this. So this is how the 10 Plus look. Let me just show you guys. That's the S10 Plus. So as you could tell, Samsung gave you a free screen protector because of the fact it works with the fingerprint. So they gave you a good screen protector. So, you know, Samsung did their job at, you know, protecting the phone and the merchandise and made sure that, hey, you know, you're getting your money's worth. So Samsung actually did their work on this phone. I heard a lot, I read a lot, I even watched their big event that when they was introducing this phone along with the flip phone, but I don't think I'm gonna get that one because that costs too much money. That's way out of my league. Well, I don't need a flip phone at all. Like, you know, if I wanted to, you know, have a flip phone that flips into a tablet, I might as well just use my Apple tablet. But anyways, let's get back to the S10 Plus. So they gave you a front screen, which is, you know, so it'll work better with the fingerprint that's embedded inside the phone, not in back of the phone. Unlike, you know, my S9 is imported in the back of the phone where the fingerprint to get into your phone, and you have two dual cameras in the back of the S9 Plus. But the S10 Plus, let's pull this baby out, where you pull it right here and it comes out easily. In the back of it, you have 3 dual cameras, which we'll get into a later video about how this baby works. So you see the Samsung logo, you see how, you know, shiny it is because the plastic is on. Samsung actually did their job at, you know, protecting it, wrapping it right, you know, with the protection screen. So as you can tell at the top of it, if you can see, at the top, you know, you have basically like the plastic is not wrapped around the phone, but they actually gave you, like I said again, they gave you a screen protector to protect your phone, so you don't have to run to the stores and try to go get a screen protector real fast because you have no screen protector on the phone. S9 Plus, I had to go to the store and get a screen protector because of the fact, you know, if you drop it, you know, face first, you know, the glass will break, and that's more money that comes out your pocket. But as you could tell with Samsung, they put the 2 cameras in the front, so it's not a notch. It automatically adapts with the screen. That's what I'm hearing. You're supposed to be able to, you know, not see it, but you can see it, but you still have, you know, a full screen. There is a big difference between the S9 that's in my hand, as you can tell I'm recording myself too, and the S10 Plus. It's a little bit bigger if you put them side to side, you know, it's bigger, wider screen. As you can tell, you don't have these sensors at the top. You don't have that camera right there, and etc, etc. So it's all plain. You have that. You still have the earpiece, but it's a little bit smaller than the S9 Plus. So as you can tell, you know, the S9 Plus, you know, it's a good phone. You don't have this on the S10 Plus at the bottom. It actually covers the whole screen, so you don't have to worry about, you know, it, you know, cutting off. But a little bit more about the S10 Plus is that, you know, you still have the Bixby, you know, button right here, which annoys a lot of us Time to time it annoys me because I keep on accidentally hitting it, but besides the button being there, it doesn't bother me, which I heard that you can actually, like, you know, switch up instead of like basically having Bixby, you know, pop up, you can switch it to something else, but you still have the volume up and down in the same spot as the S9 Plus. You still have the power button on the same side. What else is different about this phone? It's same weight, a little bit heavier. As you guys can tell, and as you guys know, that basically you can actually charge your S9 Plus or S9 or iPhone in the back of the phone. But let's just talk about what else came into the box. Let's put this down gently, both of my phones, because these are my babies right here. If they break, I will cry. But anyways, you have the power brick, which is for the USB cord to go in. You have the transfer adapter, so you'll put your USB into, you know, this part, and then you'll put the other end into a phone, and then that's how you like transfer. The phones will communicate with each other. So that's what I did with my iPhone when I got the S9 Plus. I switched over, and you know, my data just went over real quick with this little guy right here. So this is a powerful little guy, so try to hold on to it just in case. You never know, you know, you might need this. And still, you can get this easily, but still, you know, this is the original brand, Samsung, and it's adaptive fast charging. So if you accidentally lose this one, you're gonna be paying, you know, quite a few bucks for another one. But it comes in a set. It doesn't come alone. It comes with the cord, and it comes with this power brick. So just try to hold on to these guys right here, because, you know, especially when you're trying to save money, you make sure that, hey, you know, everything goes according to plan. Another thing that's in this box right here is the cord that I was talking about to charge your phone. It's still the standard cord, USB-C at the top. You have the USB at the bottom, the same thing that I was talking about. If you have the old Samsung phone, as in, you know, the 8 and up, then you can still use the standard cord, USB-C cord, to charge your phone. So it's no big deal. I mean, just in case you want to just save this because it's brand new and it's official from, you know, Samsung, then save it. Another thing, let's put this, I'm a little messy right now, but another thing, you get the headphones, the AKG headphones, which I heard it's good sound. I use my Jabra Elite Actives. So these are my babies right here, the Jabra Elite Actives. Basically, this is the charging case to it. Hooks up easily. It's just like the Samsung pods, the Galaxy pods, but it doesn't pair as fast as the Galaxy pods. Like, you know, you open the case and then, you know, it just reads it automatically. You know, you have to, you know, manually, you know, connect these babies. But these babies been, you know, okay for me. For you people out there that want to go pure wireless, you know, you can get a pair of these. These are good sound. You can also customize the sound with an app that you can download from the Google Store, Apple Store. You know, these are some good headphones. It's water and sweat resistant, so if you like working out and stuff, it fits in your ears perfectly. And also, you know, it comes with exchangeable buds. So, and then if you're losing battery, you just pop them back in the case, close them, and then you see a green light at the bottom, and then they charge. So it's basically just like the Galaxy Pod, but it's not wireless charge. So that's a couple of big different things that, you know, they have nothing in common. I mean, they both pure wireless, but, you know, basically you don't have wireless charge on these guys. But hey, we can't have everything in this world, right? Thanks for watching, guys, and tune in for more from me, myself, Trap. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Alrighty, deuces.